Hi, friends.
Namaste, doston.
Namaste, doston. Oh my god, I sound so fluent. I'm not new to speaking Hindi. This was my first time. Namaste, Sundar Logon. I have a favorite word in Hindi. It's dantar kudni. That means toothpick. Dantar kudni. Yeah, but I'm devastated. Because you told me no one is using that word in India. You just say toothpick. But I really like how it sounds. Dantar kudni. I've already tried following an Indian bridal makeup tutorial. Left, right, left, right. How is left and right in Hindi?
Bye, die.
Bye, die, bye, die. That went well. But today I'm bringing India even one step closer to me. Come India. Anna. See, I'm learning. I'm gonna be trying out food from India for the first time in my life.
Chaldar.
Chaldar. I got something called Kella Matti. I really like the shape. Look at that. There's so many layers. It smells like something. Wow, Danny. Wow. That's a groundbreaking detail. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm always trying my best. That is your best? Have you seen my worst? It's a little spicy. Okay, it's starting to get... Why is it spicy? No comeback. Oh, I'm under attack right now. Hold on. Kella Matti has strike. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, my mouth is on fire, but that's okay. That's fine. I'm feeling good. This was a very warm welcoming into Indian cuisine for me. It's spicy.
Masalidar.
Masalidar. Very masalidar. We are not friends. This is a snack that once you bite it, it bites you back. I thought it was sweet. It looks so cute and adorable. Nothing about the way that it looks suggests that it is plotting to give you a third-degree burns in your mouth. Kella Matti is a snack with an attitude. You don't see it coming. Okay, Kella Matti, that was mean. It kind of looks like a small croissant or a shell. I don't know. I'm gonna give Kella Matti 5 out of 10. It was just way too spicy for me. Let's try out something sweet. This is traditional Indian sweet made with chickpea flour. It's called motiur ladu. Oh, look, it's adorable. It's falling apart. Okay, it smells like something again. Oh wow, it's falling. Oh wow. Wow, this is so good. The texture is absolutely amazing. Hold on, I'm gonna Oh my god, wow. This is one of the best sweets I've ever tried. It comes like this close to cheesecake. I'm not even kidding. What, how? I love the texture. It's like it's made out of tiny little beads that are glued together by some kind of a syrup or something, I don't know. And when you take a bite, those beads are falling apart in your mouth. They go everywhere in your mouth. Oh, it's so good. It's light, it's fluffy, it's moist, it's everything that I like. And it's sweet, but it's not like super sweet. It's sweet enough to eat the whole thing. Oh, no, don't go anywhere. Sweet enough to eat the whole thing all by yourself in one sitting. Without sharing it with anyone. Stop looking at me. You can have some of the Kella Matti if you want. I just remembered I'm allergic to pain, so I can't have any spicy food. Well, that's a shame. Yeah, I can still have the motiur ladu though. You've been eating this the whole time in India and no one told me about it? That's mean. I ate 3, but honestly, I can eat the whole thing all by myself. I'm over here helping however I can. I like the name of this one. Tengkulal muruku. Wow, that feels like cardio for my tongue. I feel like I'm burning calories just by saying this. Tengkulal muruku, tengkulal muruku, tengkulal muruku, tengkulal muruku, tengkulal muruku, tengkulal muruku. Oh, I don't know if you can tell. Fitness is my passion. It looks like something between pretzel and spaghetti. It's very crunchy. It's a nice snack. snack, but you can't eat it while watching a movie or trying to have a conversation with someone because the crunch is so loud. I can't hear anything while I'm chewing. I'm gonna give Trencular Muruku 6.5 out of 10 from me. I'm gonna need something sweet. I read soap cake. I was a little confused for a second. This is actually sawn cake. It says mouth-watering patisha. What is patisha? I have no idea. Oh no! Packaging broke a little. It kind of looks like it's made out of fabric. It's like... Okay, it's... I'm being hit by many different flavors that I've never tried before. Give me a second. Okay, alright. Oh my god. It's almost like cotton candy, but with nuts. Not bad. Not bad at all. See, that's an almond. I don't know if you can see. It almost... wow, it broke. It's very flaky and it's melting in my mouth like instantly, like cotton candy. Okay, Patisha. I like it. It's very sweet. I like that. But there is some kind of a flavor that I can't really describe to you. I don't know. It doesn't remind me of anything else. I'm not a huge fan of it. The texture is good. The sweetness is nice. The flavor is meh. Chocolate, anyone? Ugh. Okay, it looks like this. Oh wow, it's very crunchy. Oh my god, my teeth are working overtime today. Chocolate reminds me a lot of the tenkulal murku. They're very similar. I don't know what's the difference. They taste almost the same.
मुझे ये पसंद है.
Muji ye pasan. This is so difficult. I should learn Hindi. I bought this thing over here. I think that it's some kind of a drink. Shahi Thandai. Oh, I heard that means royal drink. Really? Is that true? Oh, wow. So do I just...
No! God, please, no! No!
Okay.
No!
Oh. Nope. I don't think I'm supposed to be drinking this on its own. It's very thick. Well, maybe I'm clearly doing something wrong. Where is the packaging? Oh, okay, I'm dumb.
That's unfortunate.
Had best with 1 part of Shahid Thandai syrup mixed in 4 part of chilled pre-boiled milk with ice cubes. Okay. Oh wow.
Is everything okay?
Why is it spicy? There's no need for it to be spicy. I don't like it. Oh, my throat feels bad. It says that it's made with real dried fruit, which made me think, oh, it's gonna be sweet. I've been here before. Kella Matti. Why? Comments or complaints on quality, please call customer care. Tutti, tut. Tut. Shahid Thandai Corporation, how may I help you? Yes, I would like to speak to your manager. Sure, give me a second to transfer you. Toot.
Dude, hello? This is the manager speaking. What seems to be the problem?
It's me. I'm the problem.
Oh, ma'am. I think you called the wrong
Number. Why I'm so naive? Why am I so naive?
4 to 6 days later.
Hi guys. It's been a few days after I filmed this video. I'm currently editing it, but I want to come back and I want to say that what was wrong with me? While editing this video, I just couldn't stop thinking how 1 billion, this is true, 1 billion people in India love Shahid Thandai. And I'm over here being like,
Ugh, I don't like it. It's not good at all.
like, wait a minute. I tried making it again and again and again, and I figured out that I'm like dumb. I just don't like reading instructions, and that is ruining my life. First of all, drinking it straight out of the bottle, that was a savage move. I don't know how I didn't die right then and there. I must have been very thirsty for disasters. But the thing that I did wrong was that I didn't shake the bottle at all. I tried shaking it and then I mixed it with some milk and it tasted like a completely different drink. It went from a 0 out of 10 to a solid 7. What? Although I think that there is probably some black pepper in it, which still makes it a little spicy, but it's so much better. If there is one thing that I learned today is that shake your Shahi Tandai, don't be shy. Shake it like your life depends on it. Because if you don't, it will make your face look like this. Alright, moving on. Chana Jor Garam. It kind of looks like cornflakes. Not again. Oh, why is everything so spicy? I can't eat spicy food. It hurts my mouth. How do you guys do it? And how do you do it and enjoy it? I don't understand. It's like I'm eating sparsely, so I can't talk. It's like I'm eating spicy cereal. It's like I'm eating spicy cereal with milk. Breakfast of the champions. It's good, but it's very spicy. This is called Cham Cham. I wonder if that means something. Okay, India, your sweets so far are amazing, but I don't know about this one. It looks like this. Wow, it's like a sponge. What am I doing wrong? Maybe I should squeeze it? Oh yeah, that's a lot. What am I eating right now? What is that? It's like I'm eating a sponge. Is Cham Cham a fruit? No? What is it made from? Sugar, water, milk. Okay. It's not a fruit. The more I eat it, the more I like it. It looks like a sponge. The texture is very similar to a sponge, but it tastes like sweet milk. Look at how much liquid it holds. It's splashed in my face. And I can just squeeze it and it bounces back. Look, it feels like I took my makeup sponge and I soaked it in some milk and sugar overnight, and now I'm over here eating it. It has a very unique texture. I've never tried anything like this before. I've had absolutely no idea flavors and textures like this even existed, okay? I was living in a cave, but today we had a winner. Today's video was a massive success because I found something that I really like. My heart was swollen. My heart was stolen by this motiur ladu. I don't know if I'm even saying it right, but it's so good. It is so good. How did you make it from a chickpea? How? Motiur ladu is here to stay, baby. Let me know down in the comments what are your favorite Indian snacks and desserts, and in one of my next videos I'm gonna be picking from your recommendations and I'm gonna be trying out whatever you recommend me to try out, because I was buying all of these snacks and I had absolutely no idea what I was buying, okay? I'm so glad I bought the motiur ladu. If you want to watch me follow an Indian bridal makeup tutorial, you can click on this video. Yes. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I'm everywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye.